Hi, my name is Mark and I work for IBM Consulting. In the next few minutes, I want to discuss how you can extend the value of your SAP systems by leveraging Microsoft's low-code platform. Your organization relies on your SAP solution to deliver performance, scale, and security. It represents, in most cases, your core system of record and drives engagement with both internal and external stakeholders. The Microsoft Power Platform is an intuitive, extensible platform of low-code tools that empowers all users to build apps, automate processes, and analyze data. This includes SAP data. With secure integration to SAP, solutions leveraging the Power Platform enable your organization to get more out of your SAP data, from deep analysis and reporting to more efficient processes. The COVID-19 crisis has rapidly changed the way we live and work. This new reality demands flexibility and transformation like few moments in history. In a digital everything world, organizations need to quickly adapt their processes and operations to meet stakeholders' new expectations. With working conditions still unpredictable in many parts of the world, and GDP projected to contract by 5% worldwide, leaders need to be empowered to make data-driven decisions by rapidly adapting their marketing, sales, and operations. The need for digital resilience, the ability to adapt and stay agile, has never been more urgent. 3 key changes have forced industries to rethink how they operate. First, we have a shift to remote work. Organizations are challenged with trying to save costs, reimagine their operations, redirect productivity, and engage customers and work with nuances of remote work and development. A Gartner study predicted 48% of employees will work remotely post the current pandemic as compared to only 30% before. The need for resilience and transformation is strengthened by the fact that pre-COVID, 55% of organizations were focused on efficiency as opposed to resilience, making them more fragile and vulnerable. Second, evolving workforce expectations. The next generation entering the workforce demands digitized workplaces in line with their digital-centric lives. In fact, 35% of the workforce are currently digital native millennials who demand better digital experiences in the workplace. It's just not enough for organizations to show resilience through traditional organization applications or systems. The demand for mobile apps is growing 5 times faster than IT departments can deliver. Third, we're seeing economic downturn. Beside the shift to remote work and changing workforce expectations, the state of economy around the world has only made things more complex and harder for organizations. The US alone has seen 6.1% contraction in gross domestic product in 2020, the most severe recession since the end of World War II. 92% of business leaders agree there's a need to enable process automation to flourish in the post-pandemic world. While the demand for new applications increase by the day, the tech world faces a talent shortage. More than 85% of organizations struggle to find technical talent. At the same time, building software and systems is time-consuming and expensive, and building every project from scratch burns up valuable resources. The need for tech-savvy solutions exists across sectors and industries. Organizations need better systems to make sense of data, streamline their operations, and provide better employment support and customer service. However, it's becoming harder for organizations to meet all these needs with the resources on hand today. Building software in-house brings with it a host of security and compliance considerations that require extensive upfront investments to ensure that applications run seamlessly and face no regulatory problems, hack or data breach threats. Rather than trying to turn everyone into a developer or invest heavily in building software in-house, employing low-code development can help address these challenges and close the skill gap that exceeds the current enterprise capabilities. Let's look at a few use cases. First, customer experience. We start with the customer updating an order via a Power Virtual Agent chatbot. Power Automate then triggers the internal request for approval of the change. A staff member can use a Power App to locate the item in the warehouse and scan the barcode for processing. Information is updated using the SAP ERP connector in S/4HANA, allowing for accelerated reporting in Power BI. In the second example, we see a planned maintenance notification app created by a low-code developer using a flow created by an SAP subject matter expert. An employee signs into the app using their credentials and enters a maintenance request. This triggers a flow in Power Automate to create a notification record and enter it into SAP. A manager then signs into the app, which displays the request list in SAP along with current status of each request. The manager can also mark tasks as complete, which triggers an update to SAP. Here's another use case from an SAP customer, this time with SAP closing cockpit at the period end. For each period, a closing cockpit needs to be completed, including multiple activities for multiple stakeholders. A Power App was built to simplify this process. As can be seen here, it provides the ability for stakeholders to view, manage, and approve key items within the process anywhere, anytime. From the home screen, a dashboard shows the overall status, any job failures, any warnings or upcoming jobs, as well as successful jobs, and tap through to active jobs. From here, we can open the calendar view. At any time within the app, a detailed view can be accessed. Escalation can be handled directly from within the app as well. This solution significantly reduced bottlenecks in period end close, enhancing productivity, and it allows users to work from wherever they are. So, what do the analysts say? When it comes to low-code app development, Microsoft lead the way, as can be seen here. Not only are they the leader, but they have the largest market presence in the leader area. Finally, let's take a look at Coca-Cola, who uses SAP and Power Apps to automate order processing. The company wanted a faster way to process on-demand shipment requests or forced shipments from customers. Previously, account reps had to submit orders and check inventory manually, which often led to errors and shipping delays. A new solution built using Power App automated the forced shipment process. A field rep enters a file with the order details directly into a mobile app. This data is sent to a web job, which validates the order against inventory data in SAP and also updates the local SQL database with the order. So what was the impact? Order processing has gone from hours to seconds with the automated solution. Today, the company is processing 10 times more forced shipment orders, all with better tracking, fewer errors, faster delivery times, and higher customer satisfaction. All it takes is an idea. As you can see from the examples today, they started with an idea and quickly progressed to real-world solutions that deliver meaningful experiences. If you're eager to explore an idea to extend your SAP solutions, please contact me via email, mark.smith@ibm.com, or connect with me on LinkedIn.